Nung una ay curious lang ako sa shirataki rice, but yun, later on, sobrang nagustuhan ko na siya kasi parang mas okay din for my diet. Since galing ako ng recent operation, so sinabi din sa akin na need kong mag-diet for 2026. So after I got shirataki rice, nagustuhan ko siya. And now, nag-upgrade tayo since 2026 na. Kumuha tayo ng Belly Light Rice. So, shirataki rice siya, pero powered siya ng mga super seeds. So, ito siya. So, isang pack nito is 1 kilogram. Tapos, meron siyang mga super seeds. So, ano ba yung mga super seeds ito? Meron siyang chia, meron siyang flax, at saka meron siyang sesame seeds. So, ano ba yung nagagawa nitong mga seeds na to for us? So, for chia and flax seeds, meron siyang fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. So, these are good for your gut health at tumutulong po sa pag-balance ng ating hormone. And for sesame seeds naman, aside from the nutty flavor, nagpo-provide to ng healthy fats and minerals that help with digestion. So, ito na talaga yung Belly Light rice. So, the rice that heals, not waste. So, for this one, combining this shirataki means you get more nutrients, better texture, and zero bloat. Kasi no sugar, no gluten, just pure plant-powered nourishment ito. So, continue mo na ang shirataki rice journey mo, pero with Belly Light rice na, para may kasama na yung super seeds. Check the yellow basket or link, and buy it now.